Hey, this is Jay, and yesterday in the Corona forums, somebody was asking about tips for placing objects for a level-based game, and Robert Ney, the creator of Bubble Ball, posted a reply. He said for Bubble Ball, he just did the levels in code via trial and error. Does it work? Yes. Is it fun? No. And it got me wondering about what it would take to create a little utility to be able to lay out graphic objects, and it's actually is pretty easy to do something very rudimentary. And let me show you what I came up with here. Actually, let's take a look at the code first, so you can see this is all the code there is. This is it. We're using movie clips in here, hiding the status bar, sticking up a background image, and then I'm setting a table that includes all of the graphics that I want to lay out. Skip this function here, just jump right down to here, and for here all I'm doing is I'm going in a loop from 1 to however many graphics are in that table, and I'm creating a new movie clip. I'm setting the name of it, the drag. If you do set drag, drag equals true, that means you can drag it around the screen. Set reference point, and then set the X and the Y location. Just so we can get it up at the top of the screen. And let's go back here to set drag. Set drag is really cool because it's got this optional thing here, on release equals drop piece, which is the name of a function. So right back up here, all drop piece does is it runs through all of the graphics that you have, gets the name, the current location of it, and creates a chunk of code. Now let me show you what that looks like as it's happening. Okay, so here we go. We've got these pieces, and I can drag them around, and you can see right here below in the terminal window of Corona Project Manager that it's actually spitting out chunks of code. So as I move things around here, it will update those for me. So I can move these around the way that I want, and then come in here and just grab the last chunk of code, and that will actually create that level. And it's really easy to add some other things. So let me just add one more. Let's go put the blue ball dot ping. You may notice these graphics are kind of familiar. It's because since Robert posting that sparked my thinking about this, I just grabbed some of his graphics from Bubble Ball, and so we can move these around here like this, and let's say that that's the way we want one level to look. So I can go in here and grab these, and let's go ahead. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to switch to a different main file here. Paste those in there, save it, and there's our level all set up, ready to go for whatever. So if you don't want it to do this kind of display new image code, you could put anything you want in here. The point isn't that this is going to be perfect for you. The point is to show, give an example of how it can be laid out. Now, if you're not doing something like Bubble Ball, it's still no big deal. Here, let me try a different thing here. So let's go with grass.ping, and these are graphics that I grabbed from the jungle scene. And let's go with a different background. Alright, let's see how this is going to work. Save that. Alright, so now we have all of these things. Let's just move this over here. Put the grass down on the ground where it belongs. Get the bamboo here. Move the tree up here a little bit. However we want it, and all we have to do is grab this. Now let's go ahead and switch back and try that out. Paste that in there that it just generated. Let's go ahead and get the sky in here. And there we go. There's our level all ready to go. So hopefully this maybe will help you, and you could actually flesh this out, make it into something that has a lot more features to it, but for kind of a bare bones, quick and dirty layout tool, hopefully this will get you going.